Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to upgrade our RC car with the lithium ion battery. So here we are having three basic requirements for upgrading. First one, we need lithium ion cell. Second is we require lithium battery shield. So and third, we will require one female to female jumper cable. Okay, the major role in this upgradation will be of the battery shield, which will convert 3.7 voltage into 5 voltage, which will be regulated. Okay, now let's go to some of the basic details of this battery shield. Okay, I had found this battery shield on robokitsindia.com. So here let's have the details of this battery shield. So here we go. This is the name of the component. This is specially designed for the Raspberry Pi to power the board. So if we look for the details, uh, it is having micro USB port to charge the lithium ion battery, and there are three 5 voltage pin outs on the shield, and along with that there are three 3.3 voltage pin out on the shield. So let's have some details where these are located. Here on the shield, on one side we are having 3 voltage pin outs, and on the other side we are having 5 voltage pin outs. So from there, these three I will take one out for powering up my RC car. So here we are having three things on our work table. I had connected my jumper cable to the female connector, which will be connected to the RC car. Uh, so this type of connector is located at the bottom of RC car, which will be used to connect battery to your RC car. So you can cut down the female connector from your previous battery, or you can have this from your local shop. So here, this is the whole setup which we are going to mount on our RC car. So here, let's go with the workbench.